Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question. Let's read the question first. A rocket contained 467,000 kilograms of a propellant before launch. Exactly 21 seconds after launch, 362,105 kilograms of this propellant remained. On average, approximately how much propellant in kilograms did the rocket burn each second after launch? So, for this problem, you need to understand that during this 21 seconds of during the launch process of this rocket, how much the total propellant did consumed? To find that, we're going to subtract from 467,000 362,105. In SAT, then during the digital SAT, you are able to use your calculator. During the SAT exam, on the right top corner, you will have a calculator icon, or you can use your own scientific calculator during the test to do this subtraction, or you can just do it manually. When you do the subtraction, you're going to have 104,895 as your total answer. But this is not the final answer, because this amount of propellant this rocket consumed during 21 seconds. Okay, so to find one in 1 second, how much the total average this rocket burned, you will need to divide 104,895 to 21. Okay, again, you can use your calculator. When you do this division, you will find your final answer 4,995 in kilograms. Okay, so the answer is A for this problem. But I want you to also pay attention in here that they also included in the choice D. This is kind of tricky choice, that if you would have just thought that the answer was, you already got the answer by just subtracting 362,105 from the initial amount, which is 467,000, and you would have got the question wrong. So please pay attention what you're being asked to find. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.